Now here is how you can make everything gray on the iPad. Let me explain that and actually show you how you can set it up. If you are the first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it is actually a feature which you can find when you go inside of your main settings app and tap on the accessibility section. So it is indicated by this blue icon with a person on it, so you can tap there and then proceed to the display and a text size. It should be somewhere toward the top of the list of menus, so it should be easy to find. Click on it, and in here, another set of toggles, which kind of change the way your iPad looks, right? So if we want to make the iPad gray, we need to scroll down a little bit more and find the color filters. So by default, it's likely going to be turned off and you can enable it, but there are more filters, right? So you can filter by specific colors or even apply the color tint and plenty of interesting things which you can actually set up. But the option that we are interested in is called grayscale. So when you click on grayscale, it basically removes colors and makes everything gray. You should also pay attention to the intensity controller at the bottom, because this is the crucial difference. You might have the grayscale enabled, but if it's set all the way to the left, it's only removing the colors a little bit. So if you want to make it completely gray without a hint of a color, then slide it all the way to the right to make sure that you get the result that you wanted. But that is essentially all. I just wanted to show you how you can make that work. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you like this type of tutorials and approach, subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future and upcoming tutorials, and I'll talk to you then.